Hey everybody, Jason Venata here at Venata Fabrication. I wanted to go over some pretty cool modifications you can do on your tailgate and the stake pocket area in the rear of your bed to really clean it up. So in here, we've got the, let's go over here. We've got the Tray 5 tailgate easy latches, which are these. So that's how they work. So we've got that on both sides. We've got the stock rods still in here. If your tailgate's on the if your tailgate handle's on the outside, that's fine. I just got the tailgate handle relocator in here. Also, we've got the LS Fab gas strut. So when you open your tailgate, it just goes down nice and smooth. And then in here, you see that's Delron in there. That's not metal to metal anymore. That takes the slop out of the tailgate. So on this one, well, let's see here. You can see here, I've cut this finger off. When I redo this truck, this will all go away. And I'm about to show you what this is all gonna look like. But you've got these fingers, they're alignment fingers. They go in these holes to align the tailgate. They don't do anything anymore because these Delron bushings take the slop out and keep the tailgate centered so you have the same gap on both sides. We also don't need these anti-rattlers anymore because we don't have the linkage. We've got this nice cable. And I think, yeah, down here, there used to be a rubber bumper, I think, that went up against the tailgate. That doesn't do anything anymore either, because once this latches around that, it holds the tailgate in one spot. So I've got the same stuff in here. I've got the Tray 5 tailgate latches, the LS Fab gas strut, the Delron bushing hinges from, those are from TD Trunnion Designs. And then here I've just smoothed everything up. It's something I always do in the tailgates. I weld down through here and I bodywork that to give it a nice thick edge. That when you're walking around the truck, you don't see this thin 18 gauge piece of metal. So over here, where we got nothing, as smooth as can be. I do have a latch just on one end. I have no need for a latch on both sides. One does the job fine, just like your doors, just like your hood. And here you can see everything's gone. The only thing I did was I put a little piece of sticky back foam here because my tailgate was wanting to touch and rub a little bit. Also, you see these access panels. There used to be a solenoid in there for the popper for this one. That's all gone, so I just put the access panels back in. There is a solenoid on here, and it works off of a remote. This may be the right one. Nope, that's not it. It's around here somewhere. But anyway, my tailgate is on remote because you can put the solenoid here. It's got a rod that comes up and pulls down, and this is all it's doing. This is just a piece of bar stock I welded right to the lever. It's kind of like a triangle, so you can pull this way with the rods, or you can pull down with the solenoids, which is pretty slick. Anyway, that's pretty much everything as far as smoothing all this up. I really like how this all turned out. It's just really clean. And I did used to have the tailgate handle relocator here. Then I made this patch panel on the bead roller and welded it shut. So I have no tailgate handle at all. And if anybody's ever like, well, what are you gonna do if your solenoid fails? Well, I actually hardly ever use a solenoid. It's always just, this is super handy. It's all I need. And yes, we only have one cable on one side. That's totally fine. Like, you can, I don't know if you're gonna be stacking hay bales on the back of this thing or what. That cable length's good for 800 to 1,000 pounds, so. Anyway, that's pretty much everything. But we took all three of these parts and put them together. And that's called the Tailgate Upgrade Kit on the website, venatafabrication.com. And you can buy the parts separate, because some guys already have like one or two of these things, because they didn't all come out at once. They came out like over the time of like a year and a half. So if you just need one of these, you can buy it all separate. Well, that's everything. Thanks for watching. Bye.